welcome back. This is a continuation from my last video. This is the second part. So I'm going to continue with some jeans, some pants, and a hat that I found. So first item is this hat. This hat is was $1.99. That's the regular price. $1.99. And I love the silver change. And let me put it on my head to show you guys what it looks like. All right. I am liking my hat. I haven't worn this hat yet anywhere, so you can pretty much adjust it how you want to wear it. Okay, I am liking my hat. Okay. And my next item are these pair of jeans. And it is a DG2 by Diane Gilman. Okay, by Diane Gilman. See that? Okay, dark pair of jeans. And I like it how you can roll it up or leave it straight. And it is stretchable. I love stretchable jeans. I love them. I love them. So this is my pair of jeans. And the next pair of jeans I want to show you all. Okay, this is by Cato. Name brand by Cato. Has 2 pockets in the back. 2 in the front. Okay. They're I wouldn't say wide-legged bell bottoms. I don't know what you think. Okay. Would you call these stonewash jeans? And they are stretchable. I love stretchable jeans. My next pair of jeans are these Sophia Hipster Flame. Okay. And they are stretchable. That's what I be looking for. The stretchable jeans. Look at the pocket design in the back. It has pockets in the front with the 2 little buttons here. Copper color buttons. Zips up in the front. Okay. What it looks like. My next pair of jeans are these, I mean, I like how they look. See how they look in the front? Like it has that highlight color in the front. You can also roll them up, which they are. That's how the style are. Rolled up because it's sewn in this style. Or you can loosen it up and just wear it flat. But I'd rather keep them like this. And these are some Cato Premium jeans. And they are stretchable. And my next pair of jeans, they are above the ankle jeans. These are practically new, which they are new, never been worn. And they are Faded Glory. Faded Glory. Faded Glory. Okay, and these are stretchable also. Okay, and these is only at the ankle. Only at the ankle. Almost like, well, capri jeans. My next pair of pants that I want to show you all are these, The Limit. The name of these pair of pants, The Limit. And this is a royal blue color. 2 pockets in the front, 2 pockets in the back. And this is how the ends of the legs look. And guess what? They are stretchable. Okay. Last but not least, a scarf. A scarf that I found. Color. Okay. All right. That is the end of my haul, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I have another haul that I would love to share with you all. I've been blessed with so many suits, skirt suits, pantsuits, dresses. I've just been blessed. So stay tuned for that video soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. And please go to Facebook and like my page for the love of beauty. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and feel free to click on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. Comment and thumbs up my videos, but if you thumbs down, just know that I thank you for the view. Thank you so much and be blessed. Bye-bye.